Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Shopify for e-commerce success easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Shopify website. Click on the Start Free Trial button. Enter your email address to create an account. Choose a strong password and provide your store name. Select your business type from the available options. Fill in the necessary details about yourself and your business. Click Enter My Store to access the Shopify dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and navigation. Go to Settings at the bottom left corner of the screen. Adjust your general settings, including store name and address. Next, navigate to Themes under the Online Store section. Browse the available themes and select one that fits your brand. Customize your chosen theme using the theme editor. Add your logo, change colors, and modify layouts as desired. Move on to the Products section in the left sidebar. Click on Add Product to start listing your items. Upload high-quality images for each product. Provide clear and detailed descriptions. Set prices and inventory quantities for accuracy. Once done, save each product entry. Explore the Collections feature to group related products. Create collections to enhance navigation on your store. Visit the Online Store section to set up your main menu. Add links to your collections, products, and pages. Next, go to Settings again to configure payment options. Select your preferred payment providers and set up accounts. Now, navigate to Shipping settings. Define your shipping rates and methods that work best for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.